South Korean chipmaker SKhainicks is set to raise about $26.5 billion through a blockbuster U.S. share sale, highlighting strong investor confidence in the booming AI semiconductor market. At the same time, Washington is stepping up efforts to attract Samsung Electronics and SKhainicks to expand chip manufacturing in the United States. Our Seung-jae has more.
South Korean chipmaker SKhainicks is set to raise about $26.5 billion through its U.S. listing in what is expected to become the world's second largest share sale after SpaceX's record-breaking IPO last month. According to sources familiar with the deal, SKhainicks plans to price its American Depository Receipts at $149 each, ahead of its Nasdaq debut on Friday under the ticker symbol SKHY. The company is capitalizing on booming demand for artificial intelligence infrastructure, as it remains the world's leading supplier of high-bandwidth memory, or HBM chips. These advanced memory chips are a key component in AI processors used for training and running cutting-edge artificial intelligence models. The proceeds from the offering will be used to expand production capacity, including the construction of new factories and the purchase of additional manufacturing equipment to keep pace with the soaring global AI chip demand. Investor interest has been exceptionally strong. Sources say demand for the offering was more than 7 times greater than the number of available shares, highlighting confidence in SKhainics's central role in the rapidly growing AI supply chain.
There's a lot of attention there. There's an awful lot of demand. There's a lot of retail interest.
The company declined to comment on the pricing or investor demand. Meanwhile, the United States is continuing to push for a greater semiconductor investment from South Korean companies. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said he wants Samsung Electronics and SKhainicks to build more chip plants in the United States, revealing that discussions are already underway. Speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for Micron's new semiconductor plant in New York on Thursday, Lutnick said he wants Micron's rivals to follow its lead in expanding manufacturing in America. Micron recently announced plans to invest more than $250 billion in U.S. semiconductor manufacturing and technology by 2035. Lutnick acknowledged that Micron's chief executive may not welcome more competition, but stressed that attracting Samsung Electronics and SKhainicks is essential to further strengthening the U.S. semiconductor supply chain. Seung-jae, 아리랑뉴스.